This is the brief on Target General Merchandise Truckloads. If you're running an eBay store, a mom-and-pop shop, or a flea market booth, Unbox, Liquidation, and Wholesale is bringing you massive, high-value Target truckloads. We're talking shelf pulls, closeouts, and customer returns that can seriously scale your resale business. You know, it's kind of like a treasure chest where you already have the map, because unlike those sketchy mystery pallets, you know exactly what categories and brands you're going to get. First, let's dive into the goods. Every single truckload is packed with 24 to 28 pallets. And get this, there is absolutely no food, no apparel, and no seasonal holiday filler. Instead, it's heavily weighted, over 50%, in high-margin home and furniture, followed by kitchen appliances and toys. We're talking heavy hitters here, like Dyson, Apple, Lego, Ninja, and Keurig. Second, let's talk quality, right? Because your biggest fear as a reseller is buying a pallet of literal trash. Well, Target handles their returns better than almost anyone in retail. These loads have historically low loss rates, which means you get way more sellable inventory and way less dump fee garbage. Finally, let's look at the math using a real manifest, load TRG 263225IN. To put this into perspective, you pay roughly $15,600 for over 1,400 items, and the total retail value sits at over $77,000. So, what does this all mean for your bottom line? Well, when you source top-tier brands with historically low trash rates, your margins literally speak for themselves.